You just kind of let go of your hair and then suck it in. Drop this down. And look at that curl I got. Hi, I'm so glad that you're here with me today. Today we're going to be talking about some products from Chi. Chi is part of the Farouk umbrella, and they have several different product lines, and Chi is one of them. I found Farouk eons ago. I think it was probably like in the 90s, and it was their BioSilk oil, and that was the first time I used an oil on my hair, and I thought it was just amazing. Then they had other products too that I used and really enjoyed, and then Chi is a line that came out, but I have used some of their products kind of on and off a little bit over the years, but not in quite a while. So they sent me a few things in PR, and I thought I would share them with you. I've been doing more hair videos lately, and let me know if you've been liking those, by the way. I think I've just done Kenra, I've done Olaplex, and Moroccan oil may be out before or after this, I'm not sure. I have an old Moroccan oil one, but I did kind of an updated one. So today we're going to be talking about a shampoo and conditioner and this puppy, a hair curling tool. This is the Chi Hair Spin and Curl, and it's going to be interesting because I have the Babyliss hair curling thing from several years ago that sucked your hair in also, but it was a little bit scary sometimes because it was rather different. So we will pull the other one out and compare it, and I'll show you also why I think this is a little bit more comfortable to use, especially if you have really long hair like I do. Now, before we get started, in case you're new to my channel, just wanted to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm 53 years old, and I live in the San Francisco Bay Area. I do videos that encompass beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, and do some cooking once in a while. So I would love if you hit that subscribe button if that sounds like something that you're interested in. Okay, let's get into it. So this is the Keratin shampoo and conditioner by Chi. It's a reconstructing shampoo and conditioner. Great to use, like once or twice a week, and my hair feels very full, very shiny, very manageable. I've been working into my routine once a week, and I know that it's good because my daughter absconded with it out of my shower. Sometimes she likes to use our shower. Actually, a lot of times she likes to use our shower. So I know that when things go missing out of my shower that she's enjoying them, because then she doesn't want to put them back, or she'll bring them kind of back and forth as she goes. So these work really nicely, and then they have a really nice, very luxurious scent to me. I can't really explain it, but it does smell very high-end. It's not like florally or citrusy. It just smells like a very high-end perfume, but it's not crazy strong. I smell it when I'm using it and kind of right when I get out of the shower, but then it dissipates. So I'll let you know that on that. So have definitely enjoyed this. I think it's always good to have a keratin type of shampoo to use, every week or so, just to give your hair a little bit of extra help. Now let's talk about the spin and curl. And I wore my hair kind of straight like this, just so we could do this, because it's so easy. You just take a little strip, and I have to say, I was a little bit worried because they said that, we'll send you this. And I was like, well, my hair is really long. Because the Babyliss, it felt like it was just too much for that thing. And I'll bring that out in just a minute so we can compare it. So what you do is you lay your hair right across that piece, and then there's a button here and a button there. So you could have it swirl left or right. So you could do all one direction, or you could alternate depending on the look that you want. So just lay this across like that. I'm trying to look in the mirror down here just so I can see what I'm doing. And then you just kind of let go of your hair and then suck it in. And then it will beep. And then you can set this to different temperatures, and you can set the time between beeps to longer, so whatever your hair needs. I think it starts at like 15 seconds, and you can go up from there. I forgot what it ends at. So that's my indicator that it's time for me to release my hair. And all I do is drop this down. And look at that curl I got. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? I mean, so quickly. And then the section that I used, so what I found is that it's better if you want to do more hair, to do more hair in a section that's not as wide up and down. You know what I mean? It just works better. So here, this is a little bit bigger one, just to kind of give you an idea. So let me just see what I'm doing here. You just need to be able to, sorry, I'm trying to make it so you can see it. And here, this one will go the other direction. So laid it in there, let go, and then we'll wait again and let it curl. after I've done this piece, we'll get the Babyliss one and you'll see what the difference is. This one, your hair does not get tangled. I one time did it kind of funky when I was learning how to use it. Actually, it took me like 2 tries to learn how to use it. And my hair, you know, I kind of had it at a funky angle and it ended up just basically going irk, and then I just released my hair and had it redo it. So you can see now the curl is not quite as tight as when I did the smaller piece. And you can see here, this one is curling this direction, that one's curling that direction. So it really works, and that's all it takes. So easy. I mean, I just love this thing. So let me go grab the other one for you to show you why this one is just so much more peace of mind to use. You don't feel like you're gonna burn your hair off by accident if your hair gets stuck, because your hair doesn't get stuck. You just drop it and it releases. So be right back with the Babyliss. So this is the Babyliss Nano Titanium. And all right, I haven't used this in a while. My hair's gotten a lot longer and I've been using a curling one because I was just getting not very comfortable because my hair was sometimes getting stuck. I always got it out, but when you got a hot tool and my hair is so much longer right now than it was, I don't know. So let's give this a little try and we'll see how it works. So I'm gonna get a piece here. I'm gonna make it kind of extra small. Then I'll go ahead and put this here. And you kind of clamp down and it, ooh, see it kind of hesitated there? And it stops itself. There it goes, okay. So that really spent a really long time. And yeah, I'm going to, oh shoot. Oh God, okay. It felt like it stuck there. Wow, okay, so it still works the length of my hair. But I don't know if you've heard that little kind of rip when I was trying to release it. Let's do one more. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Okay, all right, so that's the difference. Huh. So I'm looking at the difference in curls. This did like a really weird twisty thing here. These seem more consistent. These are bringing the curl a lot lower, which I actually like this look better, where you've got kind of the straight on the bottom, so you have that more beachy wave thing. I'm gonna let these dry for a minute, or cool for a minute, so that we can kind of shake them all out at the same time. From past experience, these lasted really well. From current experience, these last great. You know, like this will like stay all day long, especially, you know, when you do these kind of smaller sections. I actually prefer kind of a little bit bigger for more of a wave look than a curl look, but if you're into the curl look, you can sure get it. And imagine if you used even smaller sections. So this is what they look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of with my fingers go through these and kind of see. But yeah, that is just freaking me out because it is actually, it's got a like curling thing like this, and it's winding your hair this way, and so you kind of have to pull it out, and there's an area here where it actually can catch, and that's the difference with this one here. This is just like a tube, and it doesn't look like there's anywhere for your hair to hook in because it's like a big piece at the bottom and a lot wider than this. That's pretty darn skinny. So I think that for the thick-haired gals, my hair's thin, I've got a lot of it, but it's long. I think this is a lot safer to use. Let's see what happens if I brush it. Yeah, so even looking at the curl, this wave is so much nicer than what I've got going here. Yeah, definitely. I'm just trying to like pull it, I'm trying to give it benefit of the doubt. Let's try something here. Let's see if I can kind of, there you go. Oh, and this does have a switch so you could have it curl one way or the other. Does my hair look a little fried here? So I don't know, I feel like this gives a prettier wave than this. And yeah, because it looks almost like it got scrunched up here, whereas this is just a really pretty normal wave. So I've had this for years. It works in a pinch. If it's all I had to do curls really fast, I would use this, but I am just so much more comfortable using this. I'm not kind of sitting there like, oh my God, is my hair gonna come out? How much am I gonna leave in there or whatever with this one? So absolutely love this. I curled my hair with a spin and curl, and this is what it looks like. I did it about an hour and a half ago, so you know, this is just what it would look like. I've been running around the house doing things, so just wanted to let you see what it looked like when I curled the whole thing. So I'd love to know, have you tried any Chi products? What are your favorites? And have you tried the spin and curl before? Would love to get your input on this, because so far I've been really enjoying it. I so appreciate you being here. Oh, and if you haven't joined my community yet, hit that subscribe button now while you're thinking of it. Anyhow, YouTube will be probably popping up a few video suggestions for you now if you have time to watch more videos. And in either case, again, thank you so much for being here with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.